Welcome to the personal property tour for 19A Townsend Crescent in Kirkcaldy. This is a fabulous 5-bedroom, semi-detached, stone-built property. So many original features. You've got off-street parking in your driveway, you have a garage, you have an enclosed garden. Cannot wait to show you this one. And I'm just going to flick the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the entrance at the driveway. And these are the gate access to your property. You can see the garage here just to your right. The garage has got power, so it's a great workshop opportunity. And then we have the gates. There's also a timber gate to the side as well that allows you access. So we'll go into the garden to begin with. So you can see here the beautiful garage that you have. So the garage area and potential workshop. You've got the windows there as well, so lots of light in there, and as I say, you've got the power. Then we're going to take you into the garden firstly. So we've got these steps into the garden, and it's just a peaceful oasis. As you can see here, such a beautiful day. You've got a shed for storage, you've got a lovely patio area. You have additional seating and patio area over here. And you can see how green and lush the garden's beginning to look now. Springtime's here. This is the rear of the garden, the garage, sorry. You saw the archway there as I came up the steps. So plenty of space for socialising in this garden. You have electric points here as well, which are fantastic for barbecuing and entertaining with friends. It's such a great space, totally enclosed. Totally private as well. It's a great location. So as we walk up, there's additional seating here. So the current owners have really done the property to a great standard. The garden in particular, it's like an extension of the house with all the outdoor living space. Got this beautiful planting, stone wall surround all the way around. It's such a great space. From here, you'll see the rear of the property. Isn't that fabulous? And then between the trees there, you can see the beach at Kirkcaldy, straight across to Edinburgh. But it's such a great garden. Again, additional seating over here. And in this top corner, look at the traditional washing stand. I just love that. Lovely colour coming into the garden now. And you can see the sunroom. Just looks fantastic. Such a peaceful place. All you can hear is the birds chirping. It's a great space. So I just walk back across the lawn to let you see again the rear of the property. And you get a better view of it through there. Isn't that fabulous? Stunning sunroom. Now I'm going to take you on the tour of the property. I'll meet you inside in a second. Hello again, so I'm just going to take you on the tour. So this is the entrance to the property. So you come in from the side into this beautiful reception hallway, currently utilised as a reading room. As you can see, you've got some beautiful stonework on here. Such a great space. Overlooks the garden. Beautiful stonework, as you can see. And the bonus here as well is you actually have a utility room in here. So you have this great utility space. So you can see in here you've got your sink, utility area. You've actually got the traditional pulley, which I think is fantastic. So it's great to have that on this level for access into the garden as well. And you can see where I was showing you earlier on where the garage is there too. So great space into the garden. Such a fabulous room. Okay, so we enter the property here and come into the entrance hallway. You have a storage cupboard here. You can see how high the ceilings are even in the hallway. That's a huge mirror. You've got a great cupboard in there as well. Lots of storage in this house. And then bonus as well, coming straight in from the garden for the children, is that you have a WC on entry level. So you've got all these beautiful dipped and stripped doors. But again, high ceilings in all of the rooms, as you'll see. It's a really handy little WC area. Spindles on the door. The stairwell is fantastic. As we go up the stairs, what you'll see here is a cupboard that actually takes you into the eave. I say cupboard loosely. It goes all the way through the eaves. It's a huge attic space. And then on the split level, you've got double doors there as well with the exact same result. You've got the archway here, so you're starting to see some of the features before we go in. And again, just the size of the property. So come up to the upper hallway. Look at the archways with all the features. I love it down here. You've got picture rails all the way along. You've got beautiful features there. New cornicing. The hallway is huge. So again, you see right down the hallway that I've just come up. And all those stunning features. You can see them here, they're gorgeous. So from the hallway, we're going to start in the lounge. So the lounge is straight ahead. Such a beautiful room. And that's a huge sofa in here. But look at the picture rail and the cornicing and the ceiling. Look at that detail, that beautiful big bay window. And again, you've got a beautiful window here. And the fireplace is stunning. So they've got gorgeous detail in this timber. Beautiful tiling. So lovely. Got a cupboard under here. Got all this original woodwork. But the detail is incredible. Great alcove there. But it's really beautiful. Let you see it from this angle. Just how good that ceiling looks. Again, you've got the dipped and stripped doors, which look fabulous. And that is a big TV, so you can see how size this room is. But the beauty of it as well is that window. And the views from the window as well. So you literally are overlooking the water down at Kirkcaldy Beach. It's stunning. It's a great size space. Really is a beautiful room. So from here, go back out into the hallway. And from the hallway, we'll go into the first of the doubles. But before we do that, you can see in the stairwell going up to the next level in this beautiful reading area that they've got here. And again, great storage under the stairwell. So we'll go into this double bedroom. It's beautiful, again, the dipped and stripped doors. You've got a vanity unit in here as well, which I think is a great bonus. It's a lovely big double room. Beautiful picture rails, again the high ceilings. Lots of storage. It's a great room. So many features in this property. And again, you've got those gorgeous sea views across Kirkcaldy as well, over to Edinburgh. And then from here we'll go back out into the hallway. And then we'll go into what is the master bedroom. So this is a fantastic room. So as soon as you come in, you'll see plenty of storage. Again, the doors. The size of this room is stunning. Look at the window. Beautiful big bay window sitting area. Such a great space. It's a lovely room. And you could just see the size of the room here and the detail. You've got a great big cupboard in here as well, which is fabulous. And from this area too, it takes you right down onto the beach. It's a lovely space. It's a great sized room. Straight across the hallway there is another double room as well. Again, lots of nice detail in there. Lovely sized room, and you've got that beautiful detail on the strip doors as well. From the hallway we go straight over as well into the family bathroom. Look at the tiling. The flooring is impeccable. It's such a high ceiling here. It's going to echo as soon as I come in. So you've got this beautiful big walk-in shower. You've got your thermostatic control. I love the sink and your WC. Beautiful big window. Lots of light coming in. And you've got this freestanding claw bath as well. Look at the feet on the bath. It's just absolutely stunning. It's a great room. So again, you get a size feel for it. Such a big space. It's a lovely home. And again, the stunning doors. Then we go back out into the hallway. Then from the hallway, if we look down the hallway again, you're getting to see the detail with the archways and the beautiful picture rails and cornicing. Then we go into the dining room. So the dining room is in here. Again, you've got beautiful flooring. You've got all these door details throughout. You've got the double window here, so it's a great space. Again, the picture rail, the cornicing. Lots of room here as well for additional furnishings. Perhaps a lounge area. You've got this beautiful fireplace as well. But again, you can see the detail with the double windows. You can see the drop on that light. That's how high the ceilings are in here. The fireplace. You've got the timber with the marble, which is just stunning. Then from here we go into the kitchen area. In the kitchen again, look beautiful and bright. So you've got lots of storage area. Certainly room for additional seating if you wished. So you've got the window here, further one across here. So integrated appliances wise, you've got your oven, your hob, your extractor, and you also have your dishwasher. You've got this beautiful Belfast sink as well, which I love. It's a great size, and the views as well, really great. So you've got a lovely space in here. Another big room. It's a real brightness throughout this whole home. There's plenty of windows, that's for sure. And you go back out into the hallway. So we've seen the living space on this level. So we'll take you now upstairs. So again, you're getting to see your entrance space. There's a window on the split landing, so it's lovely and bright here as well. Likewise, there's another window here. So you've kind of got the twin window here, which makes it lovely and spacious. Lovely and bright. And they've created a nice reading area up here as well. And then you've got fourth of the double bedrooms straight ahead. So again, you can see how bright it is in here. So a lovely size double. Fabulous views across the water. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Great working space. Plenty of room for wardrobes, etc. And then off here to the fifth of the doubles. This one is fantastic as well, because actually you could split this to a kind of dressing room and bedroom. So you've got a great space here for home office, working area. Double wardrobes, access to eaves again. Look at the views. Beautiful views across the water. You can see the Bass Rock clearly today. It's stunning. So nice. But you've got all of this living space as well in this room. Again, you've got double bed, you've got another window. Lots of storage area space down to the bottom. Another window, so you've got 3 windows in this room. So again, this one has kind of the church views, which really peaceful and tranquil. But it's such an enormous room. So great living space up here too. Perfect. So to summarise, 19A Townsend Crescent in Kirkcaldy. It's a 5-bedroom, 2 reception, semi-detached, stone-built property. Lots of original features as you've seen. This is a fabulous home. It's got a beautiful garden. You've got your off-street parking and your garage. Really caters for everything. It's in a prime location as well. Literally 5 minutes down the hill, you're at Kirkcaldy Prom, beside the beach. 5-minute drive, you're at Kirkcaldy train station. That's taking you into Edinburgh, Glasgow and beyond. Likewise, up north to Dundee, Aberdeen, Inverness, etc. So fantastic commute area. You're close to all the local amenities. You've got the swimming pool, you've got the high street, you've got all the eateries, etc. that Kirkcaldy offers as well. So great lifestyle choice here as well. This one is on the market with us at the moment. It offers over £460,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Alternatively, you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.